Google keeps coming up with new ways every week to use VEO 3.1 for free, and this time it has revealed two completely legal methods that let you generate 8-second videos absolutely free using just text or an image. And the best part? There won't be any watermark on the video. In this video, I'm also going to show you a method that lets you create videos up to 20 minutes long very easily, where you can keep as many characters as you want consistent from the beginning all the way to the end.
I saw the most amazing rainbow over the mountains this morning.
Really? I wish I had seen it.
It was breathtaking, like the start of a perfect day.
The new method Google has introduced to use VEO 3.1 is through an extension, and for that we'll open a new tab in Chrome and search for ToolWallet.in. This website will only work if you live in India, or you can use any Indian VPN. So here we'll just click on the very first website. Now, creating an account here is a little tricky. First, you need to choose any username you want. And to create the account, we're definitely not going to use a temporary email. We'll use our original Google account. Enter any strong password into both of these text boxes, then click on Create ToolWallet account. After that, using the same Gmail and password we just tried to create the account with, we'll sign in again. Just enter those same details here and log in. A pop-up will open and we'll simply click here to close it. Now this is the website where we'll use the extension that lets us generate videos for free. For that, click on Access Grok Free. As you can see, along with VEO 3.1, Grok 3, Midjourney, and ChatGPT Plus are also available here, but we'll be using VEO 3.1. Just wait here for a few seconds and then an option called Enter My Tool will appear. Click on it. After that, a new tab will open. Scroll down a little and here you'll find Google Flow. Click on Activate Now. And the extension I was telling you about can be downloaded by clicking here. Once that's done, your VEO 3.1 will be activated. Now we'll click on Download and then click on the file we just downloaded. After that, click on Downloads. You'll see the ToolWallet file here. Right-click on it and you'll see an extract option. Click on that. I'm going to copy this name just as a backup in case of an emergency. You can do the same if you want. Then click on Extract again. Now if you look here, you'll see a new ToolWallet folder has appeared. Next, we'll go back to the Chrome tab. Click on the three dots, then you'll see the Extensions option below. Click on it. After that, click on Manage Extensions. Once you're here, the first thing you need to do is turn on Developer Mode. Only after enabling it will you be able to use this extension. Then click on Load Unpacked at the top. Go to Downloads, select the ToolWallet folder and click Select. The extension will now be added to your Chrome browser. Now let's go back to the ToolWallet website. If you look here, you'll see 3 servers, 1, 2, and 3. 1 or 2 of these servers should be working for you. But before opening any of them, make sure your Indian VPN is turned on or that you're in India. After that, click on the first server. As you can see, the first server isn't active for us right now, so we'll move to the second server. And this one is active. To generate a video, click on New Project. Paste whatever prompt you want to use for generating the video. If you want to create a video, click here and select Video. Then choose the horizontal size, vertical size, and video length. After that, click on Model and select VEO 3.1 Low Priority, because the extension we downloaded only works with this option, and it's also what gives us access to the Ultra account. You can see that at the top. Once all the settings are done, click directly on Generate. You might get an error like this, or your video may generate on the first try. This error usually appears when the website is under heavy load and getting a lot of traffic. In that case, just keep clicking and trying again. After some time, your video generation will start. If you want to generate videos without running into errors, try doing it after 2 a.m. You'll barely see any errors then because the website traffic is much lower. I've added links to the PC and gadgets I use in the description, so feel free to check them out if you want. Once the video is generated, click on the video and then click here to download it. Let's play it and see how our video turned out. We generated this one using server 2, but we'll try another server as well. Before that, guys, if everything has worked perfectly for you so far, take a second to move the comments aside and give this video some hype. It's completely free for you, but for us, your support means a lot. Also, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. And if you want more updates on free AI tools like these, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's test server 3. We'll go back and click on server 3. As you can see, this server is working perfectly too. It's only server 1 that isn't working right now. Now let's see how you can create a video from an image. The process is a little different. Click on New Project and come here. Then click here and select Video, and after that choose Frame. Next, click on Start and upload your first image. Then paste the prompt you want to use to animate that image. Once you've selected all the remaining settings, click on Generate. Your video will be ready, and you can click on it and then hit download to save it. So let's see how this video turned out.
People think I'm after shiny things, but I'm really after 5-star reviews.
That was the first method. The second method I'm about to show you lets you use major AI video generators like Seedance 2, Kling 3, Grok 3, and VEO 3.1 completely free and completely legally. For that, open Chrome and search for Gemini Gen AI. Click on the first website that appears. To use those tools, you'll need to create an account. Click on Sign Up, then choose Continue with Google. All the Gmail accounts available on your device will appear here. Select any one of them and continue. Once your account is fully created, the interface will look something like this. You'll notice that some AI tools are already selected by default. If you want to see which AI tools are available for free, click on Status at the top. Any tools shown in green are available for you to use for free, completely legally. Nothing shady or illegal involved. To go back, click on Studio again. Now let's see how you can generate a video from text. First, paste the prompt you want to use based on the kind of video you want to create. Then you can choose the aspect ratio and set the duration of your video. I almost forgot to select the model, so let me choose VEO 3.1 now. The great thing is that we can generate this video with 0 credits. Just click on Generate Video, and your video will start rendering on the side. In most cases, it'll be ready in about a minute. However, sometimes the video gets generated successfully, but you may still see an error message here that says something like video processing. To fix that, just click on History at the top. You'll find your generated video there. Simply click on it, and you'll be able to download it. Now let's see how the video turned out.
Good things arrive right on turtle time.
Honestly, this tool has done a really impressive job with the video generation. You can't generate videos from images here, and I'll show you exactly why. First, we'll click here and upload an image. We'll leave the prompt exactly as it is, and then click Generate right away. Now, if you look here, you'll see that it's asking us to purchase a subscription to this website in order to generate a video. In other words, you can't convert images into videos for free on this platform. Guys, nobody is going to explain these details to you this carefully. So if you found this helpful, hitting that subscribe button costs you nothing, but it gives me a lot of motivation. So please do subscribe. You can't create image to video content here for free. But when it comes to text to video, you can generate as many videos as you want using any of the free AI tools available on this platform.
Welcome to the deepest coffee shop in the world!
And if you want to discover 5 more legal ways to use VEO 3.1 for free, then you should definitely watch my other video on this topic, because that video was made specifically for you.